What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Dead, man. Y'all see what time it is, man. We are about to kick it. We have so much going on in today's vlog. As you see, your boy does not have the moto vlog set up. I kind of just broke it. My helmet, the little glue on it, whatever, it like got weak, so I need another one. So I'm just wearing my half helmet today, but I'm gonna try to catch some footage, you know, when we touch down at our different places. So hopefully you guys are gonna see a lot. If not, you'll never see this intro, but let's get it going. All right, y'all, so we just got to the first spot, man. They are out here. My bad, bro. What's going on, sir? How you feeling?
Hey, bro, you want a piece of the booster? Trying to knock my little edge off too, man.
07 Jixer 1000 is clean.
You got pain on that thing. So it's available. It's always on the floor of IMD, goddammit. You understand me? I'm surprised. You're not ordering.
Man, they are rolling in, y'all. So this group is about to ride to Columbus. Rock on there. Yes, sir. Old school Jixer. To another ride, y'all. We going up to Cleveland to a Harley event, but dang, it looks like the party over here. What's going on with you, sir? What's happening? How you feeling? Oh, nothing, man. Yeah, ready to ride, man. You still got the baggage? Okay, and the Honda, right? Yeah. Yep, yes, sir. Yep. Yes, yes, sir.
What's the name later? I know y'all going up to Kingz.
Y'all, this is so crazy, man. Sport bikes are alive and well, baby. Hey. All right, y'all see what time it is, man. We got all the hogs behind me, man. We are deep, literally as can be. So the first event we went to, as you saw, was mostly sport bikes. Knew we were coming to this event, but wanted to check everything out. It's like 30, y'all, like it was like 30, 35 bikes. It was absolutely crazy. But this is the event I knew we were coming to, man. So we are actually about to roll up to Southeast Harley Davidson. About to give y'all a little tour of all the bikes that's rolling. But we are going to a sound competition that one of the motorcycle clubs up there is putting on. So stay tuned, man. Alright guys, we have made it to the main event, man, and I'm about to show y'all around, man. We got a lot of copyright music, so I'm gonna have to put some background music over this. That's why y'all ain't really hearing nothing, but y'all get it because y'all still want to see it. So let's check everything out. thank y'all for tuning in to another video, man. I'm sorry y'all didn't get that much footage today. I wanted to do a lot more, but it was weird because, like I said, I messed up my motovlog setup. The new setup that I planned on mounting on the Street Glide didn't really come out like I wanted it to, so I probably won't include any of that footage in this video. You know what I'm saying? I just wasn't happy with it. If I'm not happy with it, I'm not putting it out there. That's just what it is. So this is a little bit shorter of a video, but as you see, your boy had a blast. We went up with all the boys that were going to Columbus. They all had some legendary bikes, and from what I understand, they literally had a blast. It's late now. I went riding up to the Kingz of the South event. Shout out to the Kingz of the South Motorcycle Club, man. They showed nothing but love to all of us up there, man. So we appreciate all the love that y'all showed. And, man, y'all had some legendary bikes as well, man. But as y'all can tell, your boy had a legendary day. But sadly, it is the end of the freaking weekend, and your boy has to go back to work tomorrow. So your boy about to get in here, take a shower, hit the sack, because, you know, we got to go work hard so we can play with all these toys. So always remember, man, when the God we serve is in things, there's no limit to it, man. When God is in it, there is no limit, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe if you have not already. Follow me on Instagram at TheRealDevinClark, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.